ayan gid no nga agahon katontanan na makaron dong ika 127 the Philippine Independence Day na makasimanwa nga niya karon sa Banwa et Kalibo hay may program kay bahad ato karang nga mga katapo et kapulisan. Philippine Coast Guard. Yan, mga Boy Scout, Girl Scout, iyaman. Mahalin kita, no, mga kasi manwa. Maadto kita sa Pastrana Park.
And other government and non-government agencies who participated today.
Sige po.
Of course, our ceremonial march of the Philippine flag. We have the colors, ANSAT band, Mayor Jury Sucro, our SB members of Calibo, punong barangays, barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan officials, LGU Calibo Department and Division Heads. We have the 601st Reserve, Red Reserve, PNP Force Multiplier, BFP Calibo, Veterans Federation of Aklan, Knights of Columbus, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Girl Scouts of the Philippines, and MDRRMO Calibo.
Wow, sana all. Matto kita mas printing.
Sino yung ba?
Ako mala. Driver.
Sino tama nga lang driver?
Matto na yan. Request ka naman.
Ito nga. Ay.
Once again, our ceremonial march of the Philippine flag for the 127th Philippine Independence Day, Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan. We have the colors and then followed by ANSAT band, Mayor Jury Sucro, Sangguniang Bayan members of Calibo, punong barangays, barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan officials, LGU Calibo Department and Division Heads, 601st Ready Reserve, PNP Force Multiplier, PFP Calibo, Veterans Federation of Aklan, Knights of Columbus, Philippine Coast Guard, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Girl Scouts of the Philippines, and MDRRMO Calibo. Inapabot na naman ang pagpasigama sa atin yung mga kaibahan sa Aklan Media. Thank you so much for covering our 127th Philippine Independence Day. Attention ladies and gentlemen of the colors, followed by Ansat Band, Mayor Juris Sucro, Sangguniang Bayan members of Kalibo.
So raya nga naman kasi manuwahay ceremonial march of the Philippine flag.
LGU Kalibo Department and Division Heads. 6 offers ready reserve. PNP Force Multiplier. PFP Kalibo. Veterans Federation of Aklan. Knights of Columbus. Philippine Coast Guard. Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. Boy Scouts of the Philippines. Girl Scouts of the Philippines. And MDRRMO Kalibo. Once again, I would like to acknowledge for the ceremonial march of the Philippine flag. We have followers as Aklan, Mayor Juris Sucro, Sangguniang Bayan members of Kalibo, Purong Barangays, Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan officials, LGU Kalibo Department and Division Heads, 6 offers ready reserve, PNP Force Multiplier, PFP Kalibo, Veterans Federation of Aklan, Knights of Columbus, Philippine Coast Guard, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Girl Scouts of the Philippines, and MDRRMO Kalibo.
dia sa Corinte nga nagabuhay dito lang si Kalibong Mayor Juris Bautista Soto, si SB De La Cruz, Christine De La Cruz, si Police Major.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to all of you as we celebrate the 127th Philippine Independence Day. Today marks the momentous event in our history, the day when our forefathers declared our freedom from colonial rule. This is not just a commemoration, it is a celebration of our identity, heritage, and unity as Filipinos. This year's theme, Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan, reminds us that freedom we enjoy today must be honored with responsibility, vision, and deep respect for our past. To formally open our program, let us begin with the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be led by the Calibong Municipal Employees Chorale with the simultaneous raising of the big flag and the flag per barangay. Next, we will proceed with the flower offering to honor our heroes. Of course, our municipal officials, department heads, division heads, officers from PNP and Aklan Police Provincial Office, BFP, Boy Scout of the Philippines, Girl Scout of the Philippines, Philippine Army Reserve, rank officials, and other offices or from government and non-government organization. Please join our mayor to do the offering, flower offering.
Sir, iya ka na, sir. Iya ka na. Bantay na, sir. Mapitin mo. Ito mag-agad ka na. Para lang. Ayun yun. Oh, sige. I-ano ko. Yan, inalagi mo yun. Yan, muna sa'yo.
Tapos na ha. Kita pa. Ano na, Ben? Kasawa. Ano? Nagkasa.
Pumukul lang. Ay, sir? Pamangga.
Thank you so much. Please visit everyone. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman ay sabay-sabay natin bigkasin ang panunumpa ng katapatan sa watawat ng Pilipinas. Inanyayahan ko si Police Major Francis C. Andrade, OICCOP Calibo, MPS na mamuno.
Pakitaas ang kanyang kamay at sabay-sabay natin bigkasin. Ako ay Pilipino. Paglalumpa sa napatawag ng Pilipino. At sa bansang kanyang sulit. At tulungan ko ay napinagat yung Diyos, makakalikas at mga tao at mga bansa. Ibabang ka lang.
Maraming salamat po, Police Major Francis Andrade. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, to all our municipal officials, pwede na po kayong umupong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Message of commitment and service to be delivered by Police Colonel Arnel E. Ramos, Provincial Director, Aklan Police Provincial Office, to be represented by Police Colonel Ricky Montugo.
Thank you, Lucy. Provincial Director, Police Colonel Arnel Ramos, I will bring his commitment business. To the ever-supportive Municipal Mayor of Calibog, Honorable Luis Bautista Socoser,
Pwede siguro ka ito
the
papagkapit.
officer in charge of Calibog MPS, my classmate, Police Major C. Andrade, members of the Sangguniang Bayan of Calibog, municipal employees, personnel of Crime Bureau, Calibog MPS, the Bureau of Fire, and the jail management, other guests, and our veteran heroes and their families. And sa aton ng mga Girl Scout and Boy Scout, including Coast Guard and other participants in this activity. And our salute to you, Sir and Ma'am. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Today, as we commemorate the 127th Philippine Independence Day with the theme, Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan. We honor not only the gift of freedom, but also the enduring spirit of unity and resilience that has carried our nation forward. This celebration reminds us of our shared responsibility to uphold the liberty of heroes bravely fought for. The Aklan Police Provincial Office stands in solidarity with the people of Calibog and the entire province of Aklan, guided by the program trust of our new CPNP, Police General Nicolas Torre III, and this call for measurable results-driven programs and initiatives. We remain committed to safeguarding the peace and order that uphold our hard-won independence. Kaisa ng mamamayan ng Aklan at ng bayan ng Calibog, ang inyong kapulisan ay buong pusong magsusumikap na mapanatili ang kaayusan at kapayapaan sa ating komunidad upang ang kalayaang ipinaglaban ng ating mga bayani ay patuloy nating pahalagaan at pagyamanin. Bilang mga tagapangalaga ng batas at kaayusan, patuloy kaming taos-pusong nagsisartisyo sa bayan, handang tumugon at kumilos upang mapanatili ang kalayaang ipinagkaloob sa atin. Sa muli, isang mapayapang umaga sa ating lahat.
Maraming salamat po. Police Colonel Ricky Montugo. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, to deliver his independence message, let us all welcome with a round of applause the Honorable Mayor of the Municipality of Calibog, Mayor Juris B. Soco.
Sa mga minamahal kong kapwa lingkod bayan, mga opisyal ng lokal na pamahalaan ng Calibog, at sa aking mga kababayan, mapunyaging araw ng kalayaan sa ating bayan. Aling pag-ibig pa ang hihigit, kaya sa pagkadalisay o pagkadakila gaya ng pag-ibig sa kinubuang lupa. Ito ang saitang galing mula ni Andres Bonifacio pagkus sa ating paggunita ng ika-127 anibersaryo ng araw ng kalayaan. Ito ay ang pag-aalam, tapang, dangal at sakripisyo ng ating mga bayani at isang panawagan na tayo ay kumilos upang magigala ng kalayaan ng kanilang ipinaglaban. Ang tema, kalayaan, kinabukasan, kasaysayan ay malinaw na paalala ng ating mga isang patuloy na laban sa kahirapan, laban sa kawalan ng karungan at laban sa katiwala. Sa laban na ito, ang sandata natin ay tapat at makataong serbisyo publiko. Tayo ay naniniwala na makabagong anyo ng kabayanihan ay nasusukat sa ating kakayahang maglingkod. Sa bawat proyekto para sa edukasyon, kalusugan, kabuhayan at kapayapaan, binubuo natin ang 1,000 na may layunin, direksyon at puso sa 1,000 na tunay na pamilya. Ang kalayaan ngayon ay nasasalamin sa bawat programang may patutupad ng may pananagutan at higit sa lahat, ito ay isang sagisag ng kalayaang may malasakit. Hindi lamang para sa ngayon, kundi para sa kinabukasan ng susunod pa na henerasyon. Sa ating kasaysayan, may mga bayani na lumaban sa digmaan. Sa ating kasalukuyan, mayroong mga taong bayani ng bayanihan, mga guro, manggagawa, kabataan, at lingkod bayan na patuloy na gumagawa ng tama at malasakit para sa kapwa. Mga minamahal po, tayo ngayon ay tagapag-ingat ng kasaysayan, ang tagapagtugulot ng kalayaan at ang tagapaglikha ng kinabukasan. Sama-sama natin itagulot ang pamahalaang bukas, tapat na tunay na nagsisilbi dahil ang tunay na diwa ng kalayaan ay nasusukat sa kakayahan natin maglingkod, magmalasakit at magbago para sa ikabubuti. Mabuhay ang kalayaan, mabuhay ang kalibo, mabuhay ang sabay ng Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po at maligayang araw ng kalayaan sa ating mga.
Thank you very much, Mayor, for your inspiring words. May your message encourage us to be more patriotic and united. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, let us now proceed to the singing of isang dugo, isang lahi, isang musika to be performed by our very own